Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a broker in TradingView. First, open your TradingView platform and locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Broker tab, then choose your specific broker from the extensive list provided. You will then be prompted to enter your login details, typically your username and password, to securely link your trading account. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. Once connected, the trading panel becomes your central hub. Here, you can view your current account balance, typically shown in your chosen currency, and any open positions you may have. It also provides real-time updates on your profit and loss, allowing for immediate assessment. You'll find direct access to order entry forms, making trade execution seamless and efficient, all within one integrated interface. To place a trade, navigate to the order panel within the trading interface. Here, you can specify all your trade parameters, including the instrument, quantity, and price. You have the flexibility to choose from various order types, such as market orders for immediate execution, limit orders for specific prices, or stop orders to manage risk. Always review your order details carefully before confirming to ensure accuracy. Effective account management is crucial for successful trading. Within the TradingView platform, you can easily access your complete trade history, allowing you to analyze past performance and identify trends. You can also manage any open orders, modifying or canceling them as market conditions change. When you are finished trading, simply click the Disconnect button to securely log out from your broker account.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.